So this is just a quick tutorial of how to make free wedding stationery using canva.com. So if you go to the website and search wedding in the search bar, a number of different options will come up. If you hover over them, it'll say whether they're free or if you have to pay for them. So I'm just kind of using this template as an example, just to show you that if you click on the elements, you can change all the colours. If you've got like a certain wedding colour theme that you're using, to change the colour of the text, you just click on that and then click on the fonts, and it will take you to various different ones. Anything with a crown you have to pay for, so make sure you're using the ones without the crowns if you don't want to pay anything. And then you literally just click and start typing to change the wording. Change it to whatever you want. And you can change all the different text elements. You can make it like script font, make it all capitals or uncapitalize it. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, I didn't do it in this video, but there are quite a few other script type fonts which are good for weddings. As I said, you can change the date, change numbers, and then if you go on the top boxes, there are things you can change the line height. And then if you go on effects, you can do stuff like that. And once you're happy with it, I'm just going to leave it there, go on that button at the top. And if you're going to be printing it, the best option is usually PDF print. And check the crop marks and bleed if you're going to be printing like multiple ones per page, but otherwise download. You don't need to use a template though, you can also just start from scratch, especially if you want to keep it quite simple. Just go to the left hand side, add text to add all the different bits and pieces that you want. Again, just choose your fonts. You can add kind of subheadings and body text if you want to have different sizes of wording, but you can change the size once you've written it out anyway, so it doesn't really matter which selection you use. Then if you want to do some more wording that is the same font, it's just as easy to duplicate, which is button at the top, the little 2+ boxes with a plus in. So I'm just going to make this the names, so I'll make it a bit smaller, add the names in. Kind of move it around to where you want it and then pull it to the center till you see the pink line if you want to make sure it's completely centered. Just going to do the same again with the date so that it's matching the 2-hour wedding. Kind of pull it from the corners and select all if you want to move everything at the same time. Then there are various elements you can add in for free as well. Some kind of colourful ones, like this circle here. Just kind of want like a paint splash in the background. Again, drag it around till you see the pink lines to get it centered. Or if you want to go with something more floral, there's some colourful ones here. Then there's sometimes you have to move things out of the way to get behind the wording. Bit of a pain, but you can bring to front as well if you go on position in the top right hand corner. So just kind of drag those around to where you want them. The magic recommendations there kind of shows you other ones that match the same style. And and just move them around until you get to a place kind of where you like the look of them. Loads of different free ones in loads of different styles. If you want to keep it simple, you could just add like an arrow if you're doing a directional sign. And there are loads of different things you can play with. You can add backgrounds from the left hand side as well. If you're going to be sending things digitally, you can animate them. I'm just going to stay with this original design that I made before with all the pink flowers, just as an example. And then again, when I'm ready to download it, just go to the download thing. You can also download as a PNG if you kind of want to use the designs digitally in something. And there's loads of other templates to choose from for all different types of stuff. It's a really great resource to create all the different things that you might need to create for your wedding. If you want to do like thank you cards and stuff like that, you can add photos in like this one. All you need to do is go to the upload section and you can do things like wedding itineraries. Just type in the top basically what it is you're looking for and hopefully it will come up. I hope you found that useful. Let me know in the comments what kind of stationery you're going to be using on Canva and what other videos you would like to see on this channel in future, because I would love to do some more this year.